back to my channel. Today topic is Kolkata Metro. Kolkata Metro is rapid transit system serving city of Kolkata and wider Kolkata metropolitan region in West Bengal. India, it is first operational rapid transit system in India, second busiest metro network in India. As of January 2023, three operational line 31.36 km, 19.49 mi line from Dakshineshwar to Kavi Subhash, 9.1 km, 5.7 mi line from Salt Lake Vector V2 Sealda and 6.5 km, 4.0 mi line from Joka Ertala for total 47.85 km, 29.73 mi. Three other lines are in various phases of construction. This system has mix of underground and grade of elevated station using both broad gauge and standard gauge of track. Trains operate between morning 6:55 and to 22.30 night IST. There are fare range from 5 rupees to 25 rupees. Owner Metro Railway Kolkata. Area served Kolkata metropolitan area. Local Kolkata West Bengal India. Transit type rapid transit. Number of line 1 fully operational, 2 partially operational and partially under construction, 2 under construction, 1 planned. Line number operational blue line, green line, purple line, under construction yellow line, orange line, planned pink line. Number of station 40 operational, 42 under construction, 16 planned. Daily ridership over 7 lakh. Chief Executive P. Uday Kumar Reddy, GM Metro Railway, V. K. Srivastava, MD, KMRC, Headquarter Metro Rail Kolkata, Metro Rail Bhavan, 33/1, JL Nehru Road, Kolkata 70071, Kolkata Metro Rail Corporation, HRBC Complex, KMRC Bhavan, 2nd and 3rd floor, Munshi Prem Charani, Kolkata 70021. Website MTP Indian Railway.government.in. KMRC in operation began operation 24 October 1984, 39 years ago. Operator Metro Railway Kolkata. Infrastructure Manager Indian Railway. Number of vehicle around 45. Train length 6 and 8 coaches, initially 4. Headway 5 minutes line 1, 10 minutes line 2, 40 minutes line 3. Technical system length 47.85 km, 29.73 mi. Track gauge 1676 mm, 5 feet 16. Broad gauge blue and purple line 1435 mm, 4 feet 8 plus half inch. Standard gauge green line. Electrification 750 volt DC third rail. Average speed 55 to 60 km per hour, 34.18 to 37.28 mph. Top speed 8 km per hour, 50 mph. Kolkata Metro was initially planned in the 1920, but construction started in 1970. First underground stretcher from now Netaji Bhavan Esplanade opened in 1984. Truncated section line to east and west corridor from Salt Lake Vector opened in 2020. Line 3R Joka Esplanade corridor currently truncated in Tartala opened in 2022. Fifth longest operation metro network in India after the Delhi Metro, Namma Metro, Hyderabad Metro and Chennai Metro. Metro Railway Kolkata and Kolkata Metro Rail Corporation are the owner and operator of the system. On 29 December 2010, Metro Rail Kolkata became the 17th zone of Indian Railway, completely owner of and funded Ministry of Railway. It is the only metro system continue to be controlled by Indian Railways. There are around 300 daily train trips and carrying more than 7 lakh passengers. History early attempt in September 1919 session Imperial Legislative Council Simla Committee was the set of the Ikram recommended the metro line from Kolkata, formerly Calcutta. This line was supposed to connect Begmari in the east to Banaras Road, Salkia and Howrah in the west via tunnel beneath the Hooghly River. Estimated construction cost were by euro of 35 lakh 26,154, about the 36.4 crore rupees, equivalent to 70 billion rupees or US dollar 880 million in 2023. Based on current exchange rate, the proposed deadline was 1925 to 1926. Proposed line was 10.4 km, 6.5 mi long, about 4 km, 2.5 mi shorter than current east-west corridor, which would be connect East Bengal Railway with Begmari and East Indian Railway in Banaras Road. Ticket were priced in the 3 annas rupees of 0.1875 full trip. Crum also mentioned a north-south corridor back then. The east-west of Metro Railway connection named East-West Tube Railway was proposed for Kolkata in 1921. Harley Darramplay hai. All the report can be found in 1921 Book of Calcutta Tube Railway. However, 1923 the proposal was not undertaken due to lack of funds. Planning. Chief Minister West Bengal in the Bidhan Chandra Rai reconvenes the idea on underground railway for Kolkata from 1949 to 1950. Survey was done by team French expert, but nothing concrete came in the effort of to solve problem. Traffic by augmenting existing fleet of public transport vehicle hardly helped by since road announced to only 4.2% of surface area in Kolkata compared with 25% in Delhi and 30% of other cities to find the alternative solution of Metropolitan Transport Project MTP was set up in the 1969. MTP with the help of Soviet specialist Len Metroprog and East German engineer prepared the master plan to provide 5 rapid transit metro line from the city of Kolkata totaling length of 97.5 km 60.6 mi in 1971. 3 were selected for construction. These were Damdam Daliganj line 1 presently operate from Dakshineshwar to Geria Bidnagar Ramraj Chetala line 2 presently truncated till Aura Medin Dakshineshwar to Kurpukur divided into line of no apart to Dakshineshwar and line by Joka to Esplanade. Highest priority was given by BC of North-South corridor between Damdam and Doliganj over length of 16.45 km 10.22 mi. Work with this project was approved by 1 June 1972. Tentative deadline was fixed to complete all the corridor by 1991. Construction, since it was India's first metro and was the constructed by complete indigenous process, traditional cut-out cover of method and driven of shield and tunneling was chosen under the Kolkata metro was more the trial and error affair. In contrast, Delhi metro, which saw the involvement multiple international concerns, result took nearly 23 years of complete construction within 17 km 11 mi underground railway. Foundation stone project was laid by Indian Indira Gandhi, Prime Minister of India, on 29 December 1972. Construction work started in 1973 to 74. Initially cut and cover along with the slurry wall construction to handle soft ground was recommended by Soviet Union consultant. Later in 1977, it was decided to adopt both shield tunneling and cut and cover method for construction under the populated area. Sewer line and water mains, electrical cables, telephone cable, tram lines, canal, etc. This technology was provided by MSNIKEX Hungary and Budapest. In the early day, project was led by Union Railway Minister West Bengal ABA Kanikan Chowdhury, often against the prevailing of socio-political stance and his contemporaries of West Bengal government. From the start, construction project had contained several problems, including insufficient fund until 1977 to 1978, shifting underground utility core injection and irregular supply of vital material. In 1977, injunction for election, new funding was passed by newly elected Jyoti Basu government. Kolkata Metro BHL 1000 metro track, despite all the hurdles of service, began 24 October 1984. Commissioning of partial commercial service covering distance 3.40 km 2.11 mi. 5 stations served by between Esplanade. Currently Netaji Bhavan. First metro was driven by Tapan Kumar Nath and Sanjay Kumar. The service was quickly followed by commuter service on another 2.15 km 1.34 mi stretch north between Damdam Balgaji on 12 November 1984. Commuter service was extended by Dolia Kunch on 29 April 1986, covering further distance 4.24 km 2.63 mi, making service available over a distance 9.79 km 6.08 mi, covering 11 stations. However, service on north section were suspended starting 26 October 1992 as the small isolated section was little used. Line 1 was almost entirely built by cover and method of, while small 1.09 km stretch between Balgaji and Shyam Bazar was built using shield tunneling with compressed air and air locks in the alignment crossed railway yard. Now Kolkata railway station circular canal. After more than 8 hours, 1.62 km 1.01 mi, Balgaji Jam Bazar section along with the Damdam Balgaji stretch was opened on 13 August 1994. Another 0.71 km 0.44 mi stretch from Esplanade to Chandni Chowk was commissioned shortly after on 2 October 1994. Shyam Bazar to Sobha Bazar Girish Park 1.93 km 1.20 mi, Chandni Chowk Central 0.60 km 0.37 mi section were opened 19 February 1995. Service on entire stretch metro were introduced by from 27 September to 1995, bridging the 1.80 km 1.12 mi was gap with the Mahatma Gandhi Road metro station. In mid 1992, 2000 extension line 1 along with the elevated corridor from Toliagunju to New Area with 6 station was sanctioned at cost of rupees 907 crore equivalent of 39 billion rupees or $490 million. Middle 99 to 2000 extension line 1 along with the elevated corridor from Toliagunju to New Area with 6 station was sanctioned at a cost of 907 crore rupees equivalent to 39 billion rupees $490 million 2023. The section was constructed and opened by 2 phases. Mahanayak and Uttam Kumar to Kavi Nazrul 2009, Kavi Nazrul to Kavi Subhash in 2010. North of line was extended to Nopara from Damdam on 10 July 2013. Latest extension opened by was 4.1 km 2.5 mi. Stretch was Nopara to Dakshineshwar 23 April 2021. East-West Metro Master Plan Metro Corridor was made in 1971 along with the North-South Corridor connecting Office District of Bidhannagar with the Twin City of Transportation of Howrah via another transport hub of city sealed the under Central Business District Islamabad underwater metro line of 4,874.6 crore rupees equivalent to 140 billion rupees $1.7 billion 2023 project sanctioned 2008 by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Foundation stone was laid by 22 February 2009 and construction started in March 2009. Autonomous Kolkata Metro Rail Operation KMRC was formed to implement project. Government of India, Ministry of Urban Development, Government of West Bengal each half and half share of it later were Government West Bengal pulled out the formalities share were transferred to Ministry of Railway. Route alignment, realignment of led by many other issue and delay. Some biggest issue were the high pills and Esplanade Metro Station and Baubazar Mishap. As per the 1971 master plan was west-east corridor was supposed to pass under the Central Metro Station. Square foundation seam of Esplanade were not be removed since the tunnel boring machine TPM cannot cut through the steel. Another small tunnel was dug using new Australian tunneling method NATM and the high pill were cut manually and extended the tunneling process by 1.5 months. September 2019 during the construction eastbound tunnel from Esplanade to Shield the TPM hit the acquire the under the Baubazar causing the measure of collapse area delaying work in the section several months. Around 80 houses of were damaged. Many buildings were declared unsafe affecting more than 600 people. Later subsidence of area was checking using grounding expansion planning. By 2011 to 2012 Railway Ministry had announced a plan to construct 5 new metro line from extension of the existing north-south corridor. These were Salt Lake to Howrah Medin line 2 or east-west corridor metro and Joka BBD Bak line 3 later truncated delay Esplanade Nobra Bara line 4 via airport Baranagar to Pur line 5 New Gaira Damdam airport to line 6. Major modification, new 4 platform interchanging station was constructed Nobra. This will be after interchanging station between line 1 to line 4. For time being only 2 platform are in use but 1 line for running all 4 platform will be operational. Existing Esplanade metro station being upgraded, subway being constructed to new metro station providing interchanging among line 1, line 2 and line 3. Line 1 underwent the upgrade service of Amandis main station were renamed after famous personality of Ministry of Railway Mamata Banerjee. Network lines blue line, line 1 total length of 31.365 km 19.489 mm serving 26 stations which 15 are underground 9 are elevated and 2 at the grade. It use of 5 feet 16,676 mm broad gauge track of was first underground railway bullet the India. It is first train running October 1984 full stretch that had been initially planned to complete operation by February 1995. Southward extension blue line to elevated corridor from Toliagunju to New Gaira was construction opened 2 phases of Mayanak Uttam Nagar Kavi Nazrul 2009 Kavi Nazrul Kavi Subhash 2010. Another extension constructed by 2.59 km 1.61 mm elevated corridor of Damdam to Nobra in the 2013. First 4.13 km 2.57 mm extension from Nobra to Dakshineshwar opening 2021 completing blue line. Northward of extension from Damdam to Dakshineshwar 6.2 km 3.85 mm was sanctioned in Kuda 2010 to 2011. Budget at cost of 227 in 2023. Commercial operation of Damdam to Nobra 2.09 km 1.30 mm was commissioned in March 2013 and construction from Nobra to Dakshineshwar within interchange line with 5 to Baranagar 2.38 km 1.48 mi being executed by RVNL. This section opened by 23 February 2021. General public, this projected ridership of 55,000 by 2030. An upgraded existing signaling system from Indian Railway Signaling Commission based on train control was proposed by Metro Railway Kolkata at cost of 467 crore rupees, equivalent of 550 crore or $69 million in 2023, and was sent to Indian Railway. Could be decreased time of interval between trains and just 90 seconds from 5 minutes. Indian Railway approved by proposal instead of work and expect to complete within 2 to 3 years. Green Line, Line 2. Green Line, Line 2 or second metro corridor connected Kolkata from Howrah by underwater metro line below the Hooghly River. Length was supposed to be 14.67 km, 9.12 mi, 8.9 km, 5.5 mi, underground and 5.77 km, 3.59 mi. Elevator, however, the project was stalled by several times due to land and slum relocation of assumed the major route of realignment 2013, increased length of 16.55 km, 10.28 mi, elevated stretch of 5.77 km, 3.59 mi, long while the underground stretch of 10.81 km, 6.70 mi. Planned intersection of Blue Line Central was realigned by Esplanade to interchange with the Blue Line and Pope Line. September 2019, during construction eastbound of tunnel from Esplanade to Seal, the TPM hit the aquarium under Bow Bazaar, causing major collapse area, delaying work. This section several months. This is usually have been caused massive delay. Project and foreign currency losses had led by 80% cost of escalation project to nearly 80,996.96 crore rupees, equal to 139 billion rupees and $1.6 billion in 2023. Between Mahankara to Howrah station, metro will be underwater metro in India. Transfer station within railway is located the Sealdah to Howrah. New added extension of Salt Lake Vector V to VIP Road at the was transected distance of 5.5 km, 3.4 mi. Budget of 674 crore rupees, is 969 crore or $120 billion 2023. From VIP Road to Haldiram, passengers can be take Orange Line Metro from VIP Road Station to Diamond Bandar Line from Salt Lake Vector V to Salt Lake Stadium was inaugurated 13 February 2020. Ministry of Rail Piyush Goyal, after 11 years construction service, Bullbagan Metro Station was first underground station inaugurated in Kolkata after 25 years since the Mahatma Gandhi Road Metro Station. Blue Line was the last to open 1995. Extension added 1.66 km, 1.03 mi. Existing line on July 11, 2022. Line was extended to till Sealdah. Purple Line, Line 3. Previously stretched from the Thakurpukur to Mejergarh was surveyed branch line of Circular Railway from Metro Line Mejergarh Dakshineshwar Sealdah interchange from Green Line was planned to. This plan was scrapped. New metro station line from further Shuta, Jota and BBD Bak was sanctioned 2010 to 2011. Total length of 17.22 km, 10.70 mi. Anticipated cost of 2,619.02 crore rupees, equivalent of 59 billion rupees, $740 million 2023. Later route was translated under Esplanade to the corridor run from along with the Diamond Harbour Road of Jawaharlal Nehru Road, major arterial road of Kolkata, and has passenger interchange facility. Blue Line Esplanade, proposed explanation of will not be same under Blue Line. Different station will run along with the Diamond Harbour Road, Kidirpur Road and Jawaharlal Nehru Road, major arterial road of Kolkata, and has been passenger interchanging facility with the Blue Line Esplanade. Proposed Esplanade station will not be same at the Blue Line. The different station will be also given serve the Green Line. Line now from New Depot Joka due to land acquisition problem and objection from the Ministry of Defence. Construction has been delayed several times. Beginning, Defence Minister objected that the elevated corridor would be overlook the Eastern Command headquarters for William Arden Depot, the Mamianupur. The change in alignment from 8 underground increased by construction cost of stretch from 139 crore rupees, equivalent of rupees 164 crore or $20 million 2023. 3,000 crore rupees and equivalent to 35 billion rupees or $440 million 2023. Work resumed by several phases. New board survey invented by Rail Vikas Nigam Limited (RVNL) April 2020. It is India's first metro line to run the indigenous head by Harned Rail of manufacturing Jindal Steel Power and extension line from IIT and IIM and the Diamond Park 2 km 1.2 mi was sanctioned 2012 to 2013. Budget at cost of 294.49 crore rupees, equal to 555 crore or $70 million 2023. Network being executed by RVNL. Line Phase 3. Phase 4 metro station was planned to build across 2,500 square mm area. However, the Ministry of Defence objected to elevated structures, saying that would be overlook the ordnance report. The forced by RVNL to stall the entire project. RVNL almost dropped the station from the plan even though the plan to O2P project by 20,000 passengers and during peak hour. Underground Mamipur station was also not possible due to sharp gradient and Tartala metro station. After serious discussion consultation with the Ministry of Defence Government of West Bengal in 2016, it was decided by shift from station around 1 km 0.60 mi northward of the near airport and bodyguard line. After the year, Defence Minister approved the Mamipur metro station original location change alignment would be have delayed with the project budget of overrun. It was later elevated station corridor of now proposed underground Kidirpur metro station planned by Alipur bodyguard line. There are also hurried up regarding clearance of tunnel under the defence land. 2020 Defence Minister asked to drop the project at least rent by wasn't required the anymore tunneling until overground ownership of the land does not changes. Yellow line, line 4, work integrating circular railway from Damdam to Biman Bandar and to 6.249 km 3.883 mi. New metro line from Damdam to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport was sanctioned in the 2010 to 2011 budget. Cost of project rupees 184.83 crore equivalent of 415 crore rupees and $52 million 2023. Eastward extension from Biman Bandar and Barsar over 10.6257 km 603 mi. It was also sanctioned and included by 2010 to 2011 budget. Cost of project 2,397.72 crore rupees equivalent to 49 billion or $62 million under 2023. Work in project of Nabro to Barasat is being executed metro railway network. Multiple delay and hurdle. Total cost of project had grown 4,829.57 crore and 181 billion under 2023. Following objection from Airport Authority of India, route of were further revoked and instead of using circular line Joseph Road and Biman Bandar railway station and Pink line, line 5, Pink line northward extension Fairanagar to Barakpur 12.45 km 7.74 mi. It was sanctioned the cost of 2,698.56 crore equal to 46 billion rupees $580 million 2023 2010 to 2011 budget. This line was meant by enable to quick commute from the northmost of suburban in the south of Kolkata. The work order being executed RVNL as the May 2021. No physical construction has been commenced. Project has been installed. The metro construction would be affect the water pipeline along Barakpur trunk road. Avoid this, another proposal was made by continuity line through Kalyani Express and 11 metro station were planned to route. Orange line, line 6, connection between New Gairia and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport 29.87 km 18.56 mi. EM bypass Salt Lake and Rajarhat and New Tower was sanctioned to reduce travel time between southern fringe to Kolkata and the airport. Work in the line was inaugurated by the then Railway Minister Mamata Banerjee on 7 February 2011. Project deadline 6 years. Line between Kavi Subhash Chandra Jaigin set up the rupees 4,259.50 crore equivalent to 50 billion rupees or $630 billion. 2023 will have 24 station under terminal Jai Hind metro station being underground 1. The work is executed by Rail Vikas